Join me as I master hazardous energy control and share everything you need to know to stay safe. When it comes to safety in various industries, one aspect that often gets overlooked is hazardous energy control. It's crucial that we're aware of the potential risks associated with it and take the necessary steps to prevent accidents. In this video, we're going to dive into the importance of hazardous energy control, the risks involved, and the different types of hazardous energy. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to control hazardous energy and ensure a safe working environment. Every year, we see numerous accidents that could have been prevented if proper hazardous energy control measures were in place. For instance, a maintenance worker got electrocuted while performing routine maintenance on a piece of equipment because the energy source wasn't properly locked out. In another instance, a worker got crushed by a machine that was still operational during maintenance, resulting in fatal injuries. These types of accidents are completely avoidable if we follow the right procedures. Take, for example, the 2010 BP oil spill, which was caused by a series of avoidable mistakes, including the failure to properly control hazardous energy. The result was devastating, with millions of gallons of oil spilling into the ocean and causing one of the worst environmental disasters in history. These accidents are a stark reminder of the importance of hazardous energy control and the devastating consequences of neglecting it. If we look at the statistics, we'll see that hazardous energy accidents are more common than we think. From electrical shocks to mechanical entanglements, these accidents can have devastating consequences for workers and the environment. It's our responsibility to take these risks seriously and take the necessary steps to prevent them. When it comes to controlling hazardous energy, there are different types that we need to be aware of. Electrical energy is one of the most common types, which can cause electrical shocks, fires, and electrocution. Mechanical energy, on the other hand, can cause injuries from moving parts, crushing, or entanglement. Thermal energy is another type, which can cause burns, fires, and explosions. Each of these types requires a unique approach to controlling them effectively. To control electrical energy, for instance, we need to ensure that all electrical sources are properly locked out and tagged, and that all workers are aware of the potential risks. For mechanical energy, we need to ensure that all machinery is properly shut down and secured before performing maintenance or repairs. Thermal energy, on the other hand, requires us to take precautions when working with high-temperature equipment or processes. In one manufacturing plant, for instance, workers were required to perform routine maintenance on a machine that generated high temperatures. To control the thermal energy, the plant implemented a strict procedure that included shutting down the machine, which allowed it to cool down, and ensuring that all workers wore proper personal protective equipment. By following this procedure, the plant was able to prevent any accidents or injuries. I'd like to share a personal story that illustrates the importance of hazardous energy control. I was working on a project with a team of engineers to upgrade a manufacturing facility. During the project, we identified a piece of equipment that posed a significant hazard to workers due to its high-voltage electrical energy. We worked with the manufacturer to develop a custom solution that ensured the equipment was properly locked out and tagged during maintenance. Also that all workers were trained on the proper procedures. The result was a significant reduction in the risk of accidents and injuries. This story highlights the impact that hazardous energy control can have on worker safety. By taking the necessary steps to control hazardous energy, we can prevent accidents, reduce injuries, and save lives. It's our responsibility to take these risks seriously and take the necessary steps to prevent them. To recap, hazardous energy control is a critical aspect of workplace safety. We've discussed the importance of controlling hazardous energy, the risks involved, and the different types of hazardous energy. Remember, it's our responsibility to take these risks seriously and take the necessary steps to prevent them. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on hazardous energy control in the comments below. If you're looking for more information on workplace safety practices, be sure to check out our next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Let me know if you would like a video on any other topics in the comments.